All right, now if you're having trouble filling up your tank because the gas keeps spitting back at you, are you having trouble filling up your tank? Yeah, he's always empty. He wants to fill up every chance he gets. All right, now, first thing you want to do is look in here. And this is going to be the same no matter what vehicle you got. I'll show you a couple other vehicles. This is a Ford. And you can't see where the hole is down here because it's hidden in a Ford. So let me go underneath here and show you what's going on. All right. Now on all vehicles, you'll see a variation of this. There are two hoses. One is the fill hose going to the tank. The other is a smaller hose. And there's a dog right in my face. Now, this is the one you're concerned about because this vents while you're filling. You notice it goes up in here and your fill hose widens at the top, and this one goes in here. Some of them go all the way up here. They connect in different places up here, but it's always near where you fill, and they always have this hose. Now, there are another vent on the tank for the EVAP system. This is not that vent. This vent is only venting when you're filling the fuel up. The EVAP vent is a different vent. It's even smaller hose, and you can't see it here. What do you think about that? You think we should check the vents on some other vehicles? Huh? So we've got a Saturn View over here. Let's go check that out. Totally different vehicle. But I think you can see where the vent comes out here. Oh, god dang. Whoo. Alrighty then. Oh, good thing that's not active. That was a whole heck of a lot of wasp nest there. Alright, I'm awake now. Okay, take that cap loose, and yes, look down in there. If I point this out with my pocket knife, and right there, you see those, looks like metal down in there? That's where the vent is coming up in this one, and it allows air to escape out of the tank while you put fuel in here. Air comes out here, fuel goes in there. It's kind of like a nose to let the gas tank breathe while you put the fuel in the mouth. Now here's a Chrysler Minivan. You see a similar situation. You see these little nostrils right here, and then the fill hole is right there. And on the back side of these, where these nostrils are, you're going to see that smaller hose going down to the tank, allowing it to breathe while you fill up the tank. Now on those other vehicles, you may have to take some panels off to see it, but every one of them is going to have some kind of metal. The metal may only be that long, but it's going to go to a rubber hose that's flexible and carry that air from the gas tank over to the metal hose and eventually to here. Now what usually happens is somebody has the tank out for some reason, changing a fuel pump or something. On a big van like this, there's a lot of gas tank, but most vehicles, it's a much smaller gas tank. It's much easier to remove and find out where this is kinked. Usually it'll be between the gas tank and the floorboard, and it'll be either kinked or pinched. and they're usually shorter on the cars. And so what'll happen is if you don't slide this up on the other end all the way, or don't slide it up on this piece of pipe all the way, there ends up being too much hose, and then the hose will be pushed out of the way and it'll kink, like having too much water hose and trying to push it into a small space. And that's really all there is to it. So pretty simple, easy fix if you're willing to take a tank out. And of course you got to be really careful dealing with flammable gasoline. And when you're bringing the tank down, it's going to slosh from one side to the other. It's going to try to topple over and go all over the place. So just be careful, or just pay somebody else to do it. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. And we've got plenty of other tool reviews, repair videos, show car videos. If you like those, they're all busted up into playlists, so they're easy for you to pick your choice and just watch what you like on that one playlist without having to watch any of our other videos that you're not interested in. Man, I tell you, if it's got some wheels and it's got a motor in it, it's probably on this channel. We appreciate you being here. Till the next video, get off the couch and get dirty. By the way, don't do anything you see me do in our videos. And don't even do anything you hear me talk about in our videos. You could end up burnt, bruised, or bleeding, or worse. What are you doing? Are you getting in the garbage? Yeah? You know you're not supposed to be in the garbage, don't you? Yeah, you're not supposed to be in the garbage.